Hello, I'm Spaztastic. Welcome to Spaztastic TV. Today we're going to be looking at this little no-name HDMI to RF analog TV transmitter. Now here in a second I'm going to plug it into the good old-fashioned rabbit ears and see how well it broadcasts because it claims that it can transmit. I'm a little dubious on that. But anyhow, since me standing here and talking about it would be boring, let's go ahead and let's hook it up and I'll just talk about it as I'm going along with it. So anyhow, jump. Alright, so I got her plugged in, as you can see with the red LED right there. I got it just plugged into my standard set of rabbit ears. Let's see if it's actually broadcasting to the rabbit ears that are on this television. So let's go ahead and power up the TV and let's see what happens. Sorry if I'm blowing your eardrums out. The microphone's really close to my face. Wait for the good old-fashioned CRT to warm up. And I can see a little bit of a test pattern. Now, if I grab the rabbit ears, which are about a foot behind me, and I bring them closer, you can see it starts going to color. If you don't believe me that these are right here, I mean, this is the rabbit ear right here. I mean, like, I can touch the antenna. I mean, that's not ideal if I wanted it to transmit to the rest of my house, so I got another idea to make this more interesting. Oh, by the way, before I do that, I'm going to set this down. If you press the system button, I've got to aim it at the device. It changes it to a different settings like PAL, CCAM, and then back to NTSC. So if you have a problem with that, you got to hit the system button. Just as a little heads up. But I have a different idea, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to jump cut. Alright, so just to show you that it's actually in shot, it's sitting right up here on top of a DVD player. So let's say you only had an HDMI DVD player, and you wanted to put it on a CRT television. Well, this thing's got you covered. It even has a little, if I could even show it to you, I guess I could just go up and zoom in. This is professional. It has a USB port on the side of it, which said nothing about what it was supposed to be doing, but the USB port is actually powering the DVD player, which is always nice. But anyhow, let's zoom back out, and let's go ahead. Let's turn her on, and it does some weird things while it's turning on, like it doesn't have quite enough power. That's kind of what I'm talking about. Let it do its thing. It'll figure itself out. There we go. Now, if you're wondering what I'm showing you, it's this motoring, the Best of Motoring DVD, the rotary reborn thing. I got it at the dollar store, just piqued my interest. I don't think it's going to freaking hit any copyright content ID. So let's go ahead and let's look through here. I guess it won't work. I think that I have barely enough power right here to freaking play a DVD, but let's go ahead, let's do the Scuba battle. Let's see if it'll play. Come on. Come on. Jump cut. Nah, I just straight up refuse. Don't get too close to it. Oh my god, it's going to blow. It's going to blow. It's going to blow. Okay. Okay, so the USB port doesn't have enough power to power a DVD player. So this is going to require a jump cut. So jump cut. Alright, so power supply issues dealt with. Let's go ahead and let's see how well this thing broadcasts to the thing, or if it's just going to continuously F up on me. Oh wait, I just unplugged it. I'm going to have to hit the zoom button. There, now it looks proper. Don't know why it does that. And sorry if I'm being way too loud. I mean, as I said, the microphone's right next to my head. Let's watch the Scuba battle.
So now we know the RX-8 has high potential. What better way to summarize the story? Best Motoring's on-the-track battle. All of our reviewers were anxious to see the RX-8's performance on the track and in racing conditions. The starting grid for this race has been determined by torque-weight ratio. A appearing for the first time to BMI. Sitting at the pole is
去年の12月号以来、2回目の、出場となりますけども、前回は初めてでスーパーカー揃いだったので結構緊張しましたね。今回はちょっと気が楽です。
Let's fast forward this a bit.
the RX-8 at the second grid. And four-wheel drive cars in the same price range. How will it do? The RX-8 and the all-wheel drive Impreza have a good start. Let's see the replay from Takuya's RX-8.
なかなかいいスタート。
The Impreza with the higher torque inches up front. Is the S2000 taking it easy? No, Gonsan's right in there.
おお、ガンさんも来る。ひどいね。うわー、ちょっと待って。そんなとこから動かないだろう、普通。
Takuya's RX-8 grabs the lead. How will the others make the attack?
うわー、みんな早い。
There goes Nakaya's Skyline.
あわわ、もう。
Michigami's Roadster is like a pylon on the course. He's getting left behind by everyone.
なんでそのところでブレーキ踏む？あれ、服部さん手振っていた。かわいそうに。
Indeed, the car is light, but the Roadster must be short on power with only 160.
Alright, now unlike VW Westlife, I don't have a series of videos like this to show you, so the video quality on it's amazing. I'm actually going to give it credit for that. But for a little pass-through through coax, through like a DVD player, or Blu-ray player or something, to a CRT television, that thing's pretty awesome. Hopefully I can make this into a coherent, somewhat, decent video that's more than 3 minutes long. And we all know that the S2000 won that race because it was the faster car. But anyhow, I'm Spaztastic. You're watching Spaztastic TV, and thank you for watching.